बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. From the Educators Online Sport, I am your maths teacher with lesson number 5 and unit number 10. Today we are going to start unit number 10, Basic Concepts of Geometry. Let's have a look at the objectives of this lesson. After taking this lesson, you will be able to know about a few basic terms used in geometry, about two-dimensional planes and their types. Material required for this lecture: lead pencil, eraser, highlighter, class 6 mathematics book, notebook, blue marker, blue pen, and a ruler. Dear students, please open page number 147, write day, today's task and date. On this page, we will discuss about sphere, circle, concentric circles, ellipse and oval. Now we will discuss all these shapes in detail. Sphere. A sphere is a nature's favorite shape. The sun, planets and soap bubbles are all spherical. Examples are ball and a globe. Simply we can say that in geometry, a sphere is a solid that is absolutely round in shape, defined in three-dimensional space. This constant distance is called radius of sphere and the common point is the center of sphere. Circle. Cross sections of several fruits such as cucumber and banana, the complete rainbow, the arc of the rainbow that is often seen in the arc of a circle, and the moon appears to be circular. In geometry, the definition of circle is: a circle is a shape consisting of all points in a plane that are a given distance from a given point. The center, it is the curve traced out by a point that moves in a plane so that is distance from a given point is constant. Concentric circles, a stone dropped in still water produce concentric circles. अगर हम किसी भी पत्थर को खड़े हुए पानी में फेंकते हैं तो हमारे पास वेव्स पैदा होती हैं, जो concentric circle की एक एग्जांपल है. The annual rings in a tree trunk are often concentric circle. और किसी भी वुड की जो आपके पास एक लकड़ी उसके दरमियान में जो सेंटर है वो हमारे पास कौन सा है? Concentric circle. Simply we can say that concentric circles are circle with a common center. The region between two concentric circles of different radii is called an annulus. Any two circles can be made concentric by inversion by picking the inversion center as one of the limiting points. Ellipse. One may not be able to see an ellipse immediately, but the path that the earth takes round the sun is elliptical. हमारी जमीन जब सूरज के गिर्द चक्कर लेती है तो उस चक्कर को जो मिदार है उसको हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? elliptical. In mathematics, an ellipse is a plane curve surrounding two focal points such that for all points on the curve, the sum of two distances to the focal points is a constant. As such, it generalizes a circle, which is the special type of ellipse in which the two focal points are the same. It is a shape that may look like an egg or an ellipse with broad ends. Dear students, please open page number 148. On this page, we will discuss hexagon, triangle, straight line, parallel lines, and we will discuss about point, lines and planes which are given on page number 149. Hexagon, they have 6 sides. Hexagon की कितनी sides हैं? 6 sides हैं. Snowflakes are formed in a million different hexagonal shapes. Triangle, the nose of a person looked at the form, the side is often triangular. A hexagon has 6 equal triangles. The cross section of an orange or a lemon shows several triangles around the center. ट्राइंगल्स हमारे पास जैसे से इसके नेम से हमें पता चलता है. ट्राई मीन 3 ट्राइंगल्स जिसके अंदर 3 एंगल्स और 3 ही साइड्स. और ट्राइंगल्स मींस 3 साइड्स एंड 3 एंगल्स. कोई भी ऐसी शेप्स जिसके पास हमारे पास 3 वर्टिक्स हो, 3 लाइंस हो, 3 एंगल्स हो, वो हमारे पास क्या है? ट्राइंगल है. स्ट्रेट लाइन, अ रे ऑफ लाइट ट्रेवल्स इन अ स्ट्रेट line. A straight line is the set of all points between and extending beyond two points. Page number 149. On this page, These lines are already highlighted. Dear student, please learn these definition. Now we will discuss these lines in detail. A line segment is a series of point that is bounded at both ends. line segment हमारे पास दोनों पॉइंट के दरमियान में एक्सटेंड होने वाली एक सीरीज है, यानी कि दो पॉइंट्स के दरमियान में हम इसे ड्रॉ करते हैं. नंबर 2, अ लाइन इज अ सीरीज ऑफ पॉइंट दैट एक्सटेंड इन्फिनिटली इन बोथ डायरेक्शन. लाइन हमारे पास पॉइंट्स की एक ऐसी सीरीज है जो दोनों तरफ ना खत्म होने वाले तरीके से बढ़ाई जा सकती है. मीन हम जितनी मर्जी उसको दोनों साइड पे एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. नंबर 3, a surface is a flat and goes on to the infinitely in all direction. Important to clarify that a line has infinite length. A plane also has infinite dimensions of length and breadth. Now we will discuss about point. A point has no length, breadth or height. A geometrical point indicates only a positions. It has no dimensions. Point की ना ही हमारे पास लेंथ है, ना चौड़ाई है, ना लंबाई है. पॉइंट हमारे पास सिर्फ एक डॉट की तरह है और ना ही इसकी कोई डायमेंशन है. नाउ ओपन पेज नंबर 150. राइट डेट एंड today's task and highlight the following points. An unlimited number of lines can be drawn through a point and ray definition which is given at the bottom of the page. Now we will discuss this line and definition in detail. An unlimited number of lines can be drawn through a point. किसी भी डॉट के अंदर से हम बहुत ज्यादा लाइंस को, जिनको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते, इनफिनाइट को हम लोग उसमें से गुजार सकते हैं. फिगर आपके सामने एक पॉइंट है, हम लोगों ने उसमें से बहुत ज्यादा लाइन ड्रॉ की हुई है. नेक्स्ट वन इज a ray start from a defined source and extend to infinitely on the other side. रे हमारे पास किसी भी सोर्स से स्टार्ट होगी, लेकिन उसका एंडिंग पॉइंट क्या होगा वो हमें नहीं मालूम. जैसे कि सूरज की शुआएं हैं, सनलाइट है, सन एक सोर्स है जिससे वो लाइट आ रही है लेकिन अनलिमिटेड है. टॉर्च से निकलती हुई लाइट, टॉर्च एक सोर्स है लेकिन कहां तक जा रही है, अनलिमिटेड है. A ray is part of a line with one end point with the other point extending infinitely. Dear students, open page number 151. On this page we will discuss about straight line and some important points about straight line which are given on these rectangular color boxes. Now we will discuss all these points in detail. Straight line. Three or more points laying on the same straight line are called as collinear point. तीन या तीन से ज्यादा पॉइंट अगर एक ही सीधी लाइन में हो तो हमारे पास कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स कहलाते हैं. द पॉइंट्स नॉट लेइंग ऑन द सेम स्ट्रेट लाइन आर नोन एज नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स. जो पॉइंट्स एक लाइन में ना हो उनको हम लोग क्या कहेंगे, नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स कहेंगे. इफ टू और मोर लाइंस पास थ्रू अ पॉइंट दे आर कॉल्ड कॉन्करेंट लाइन. अगर दो या दो से ज्यादा लाइन एक पॉइंट में से गुजरे तो वो कॉन्करेंट लाइंस हैं. द लाइंस विच डू नॉट पास थ्रू द सेम पॉइंट्स आर कॉल्ड नॉन concurrent point. Open page number 152 and highlight the definition of a plane, tilted plane, horizontal planes and last one paragraph. What is a plane? A plane is a two-dimensional surface that has length and breadth. प्लेन हमारे पास टू डायमेंशनल फिगर है जिसकी हमारे पास लेंथ भी है और ब्रेथ भी है. Tilted planes, the surface of a board tilting slightly on its sides is an example of tilting plane. Horizontal planes, the surface of the floor and the ceiling or two opposite walls are parallel planes. The surfaces of the two hardcovers of a book are vertical parallel planes. Page number 153, we will highlight the following points. Now we will discuss these points in detail. Horizontal parallel planes do not intersect, however much they are extended in all direction. They are non-intersecting planes. Horizontal parallel planes कभी भी एक जगह पे intersect नहीं करते. उनको जितना भी extend कर लें किसी भी डायरेक्शन में, वो अपनी अपनी डायरेक्शन में इंक्रीज जरूर होंगे लेकिन एक दूसरे को कट नहीं करेंगे, इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेंगे. These are non-intersecting planes. Number 2, if two planes intersect, अगर दो planes intersect करते हैं, they do so in only one line. वो सिर्फ एक ही लाइन में होंगे. Page number 154. Highlight this one box of differentiate between point and line, plane and solid. What is the difference between point and line? Point zero dimension figure, and line one dimension figure. A point has only a position and a line has one dimension length. What is the difference between plane and solid? Plane has two dimensions and solid has three dimensions. A plane has two dimensions, length and breadth. A solid has three dimensions, length, breadth and height. Now dear students, after reading all these pages, please assess yourself by giving a short test. A line has dash length. A point has no dash, dash or height. The hexagon have dash sides. A plane also has dash dimensions of length and breadth. Dear students, here are some tasks to do for you. Number 1, make title page of unit number 9 following these points: topic, definition, question answers and worksheet, and learn all highlighted points which we discussed in this lecture. So I hope today's lecture was helpful for you. Allah Hafiz till next lecture.